how to use emitter type OBJ in After Effects using Trapcode particular plugin. This is Rania from Graphic4U. First, we create a new composition and a solid layer, which I'll name Particular. Then, we apply the Trapcode particular effect. Next, we open the emitter settings and navigate to emitter type, where we select OBJ model. Here, we can choose the shape of our design. You'll also notice a new option appearing called OBJ Emitter. Now, we proceed to select the specific shape we want to use. For this example, I'll choose this particular shape. You might observe that the shape initially appears as scattered points of particles. To fix this, we'll go to the velocity settings and set the value to 0. Go to the settings for the OBJ emitter. Change the emit from property from edges to vertices. To adjust the emitter size, increase the values for emitter size X, Y, Z to expand the emission area. To change the emission rate, set the particles per second value to 10,000. Trust me. Modify particle properties. Open the particle settings. Set sphere feather to 0. Change particle size. Set the size value to 2. Navigate to the color over life settings and choose your colors group. I'll add some changes to the colors within this group. Let's duplicate the particle layer by pressing Ctrl+D. Open the emitter settings. For this second layer, I'll switch the emit from setting from vertices to edges. Now, go to the particle settings. To easily see the difference between particle layers 1 and 2, I'll temporarily set the color over life to a specific color at the start. Let's also reduce the particles per second value to 500 and increase the velocity to 50. I'll also set the size to 3. Next, open the physics settings and add an air force with a turbulence field. I'll increase the affect size to 10, the affect position to 50, and the scale to 20. Now, let's adjust the color of these particles. Go to the Effect menu, then Stylize, and add a glow effect. I'll set the glow threshold to 50 and the glow radius to 90. Let's do that again. Duplicate particle layer 2 by pressing Ctrl+D. On this new layer, I'm going to add a star glow effect from Trapcode. In the velocity settings, I'll change the speed to 200. For the star glow effect, I'll go to Preset and choose Warm Star. Then I'll go to Color Map A and adjust these colors to match the project's color scheme. I'll also do the same for Color Map B. Now I'll add a new solid layer as a background. Go to the Generate menu and choose Gradient Ramp. I'll change the linear ramp to a radial ramp and position the starting point in the middle. Then I'll modify these colors. I'll add another new solid layer and name it Optical Flares. I'll apply the Optical Flares effect from Video Copilot. I'll set the normal mode to screen. Then I'll go to Options and open the preset browser. I'll choose the Tack Light preset and change its color to blue. Now I'll duplicate the optical flares layer by pressing Ctrl+D and position this second light on the other side. Add adjustment layer. Then add curves. Modify RGB curves. Add a new camera. Right-click camera and add Orbit Null Object. Make sure that you are on first frame. Go to Null Object. Press R for Rotate. Keyframe on Y rotation. Go to last frame. Change 0 to 1. Here is the final result.